about that, and I asked him about getting another grinder for this espresso machine, and he's like, well, I actually recommend upgrading your whole espresso machine. So then he sent me an espresso machine, and I didn't tell my husband how much it would cost because I would have to make a lot of money to justify paying for one of those.
We need our house renovations done and a shop.
Let's just say it costs double what my car costs. Let's just say that.
Yeah. Exactly.
I can't make that justification right now, so